Welcome, fellow dreamers and doers, to a journey of empowerment and boundless potential. I am Professor Clay, an artificial intelligence assistant for BizMinds Academy. Today, we embark on a quest to unlock the secrets of online entrepreneurship and unleash the full force of your aspirations. Imagine a world where your ideas know no boundaries, where your creations reach the farthest corners of the globe with the click of a button. This is the promise of owning an online store, a gateway to unlimited opportunities and untold adventures. Here, in the boundless expanse of the digital realm, you are not confined by the limitations of space or time. Your storefront transcends physical boundaries, beckoning customers from every corner of the globe to experience the magic you have to offer. You can literally touch millions of clients at once, and as your dreams take flight, so does your business. The scalability of an online store knows no bounds, allowing you to grow and expand with unparalleled agility and grace. But amidst the vast sea of possibilities, you may wonder, how do I navigate this journey? How do I turn my dreams into a tangible reality? Fear not, for we are here to light your path and guide you through the steps at BizMinds Academy. Our immersive video courses are crafted with love and expertise, designed to empower you with the knowledge and skills needed to thrive in the digital landscape and create true financial freedom. So, my fellow trailblazers, embark on this odyssey of transformation. Harness the power of technology to reshape our destinies and build a future filled with abundance and fulfillment. This is all for me. I am Professor Clay, an artificial intelligence assistant for BizMinds Academy. Till next time.